it's testing complete, SD card tested in good condition. Awesome. So that's it. I don't have anything else. That's everything inside. And right, yep. All right, so that was a look at the app. Now let me actually plug this into the phone. Let me see something. Can I still access some of the settings while it's unplugged on the app? No, the app stops working. Okay, I need to connect the device in order for the app to work, so I can go in there. I was wondering if the app will still run, and then I could make changes to the settings until I plug it in. Can't do it. You're gonna have to connect the device. So now let's go to the computer and see how, I'm hoping how well that works for me. Just before I put it in the computer, I want to try something else. So this is the normal setup. Well, how about if you have this over here? And I wouldn't leave it in constantly, but maybe I'll keep it here on the side all the time. But this is where I might actually just use at home the device. So this is a USB charging hub. And let me see if it should just still work, but just to let you and myself know that it still works. I'm plugging it into my phone. It should start automatically. Will it? It's charging. Oh, there it is, notification. Click on it, it's there, and now notification. And do begin backup. And look at that, it's backing it up. I just took some pictures outside. I went out before I plugged it into my computer. Backup complete, awesome. So it actually, later, it actually works even if you put it in a USB hub. This is a 100 watt USB hub. Took the device out. Let's plug it into my computer. Plug it into the front. See how it comes up on the screen. So now let's look at contacts. So it created, I guess, the main folder, full backup, and then contact, and then it separated it by phone. So my wife, since I didn't finish the backup, it probably never got to the contacts. So full backup, it did do my wife's phone, iPad Pro, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So under the 12 Pro Max, let me look in there, and it didn't create subfolders like videos and photos, so that's not a big deal. Again, I just click on type. Type, okay, there it is. Now look at the videos here. So that's usually the way I do it. And what I'll end up doing is on my desktop, I might create a folder. And this is instance, this is what I do. I'll name it iOS Pics, and then today's date, which would be January 24th, 2023, which means that these pictures are from everything from today and before. Exactly when before, you would have to go to the folder before that, because this is the way I file all my pictures. So I will have another folder, and that folder, whatever it is, I say is December 24th, 2022. That means that all these pictures will be, with the way I keep the file structure, will be from today to all the way to last month, 2022, December of 2022. So that's the way I do it. So I'll do pictures, and then I'll just highlight the pictures, all of them. I'll go all the way down. I shouldn't have that many. Press Shift and left click, right click, cut, and then I'll go in here, and I will, and let me make sure that the view is still on details, paste it here. Okay, This is the way I do it. You don't have to necessarily do it. Now that all the photo files are copied over to this actual file here, I will copy the root folder name, this name, and I will first organize them by date modified to make sure they're in some kind of order from the date that they were taken. So as you see, it's 1414 and then 16 and so on until probably today. And you'll see dates in the bottom for today for the 24th, right there, the 24th. So that's how I organize them, to keep in some kind of order so that when I'm looking for something, I could do it by date, if anything. Or when I do Amazon backups and Google photo backups, it usually does it for me. So that's, you know, it does it by photos or events, which is pretty cool. So now I do select all. I click on the three actual little dots, because that's the way Windows 11 looks. This is Windows 11. Click on it, do select all. With a Mac, it's a combination within the actual. Oh, you know what? Under Mac, I think it's Edit Select All from the top left menu that you select. So now here, I'm going to right click and I'm going to rename. Be careful not to delete, because I've done that a couple of times. I've deleted by accident. I'm going to just click rename. So now that it has a rename option up here, it's going to rename every single one. And I'm going to right click and paste what I already copied, which is the folder itself. And then I'll click on the outside anywhere like this, and all of them will be renamed. And there'll be a sub number within all of them, but it'll have the dates. So as you can see, I made a mistake, 02/2023. So let me correct that. I don't want that. So now I'm gonna have to do the same exact thing again. And that happens. I'm actually, you know, doing this while viewing it through the screen, so I'm not getting, like, if I'm actually looking at this screen, I'm looking at the screen I'm recording from. So again, right click, rename, do not delete. Right click and paste the proper name, and now when you click on the outside, you will see that it will be modified. And again, you're not doing the exact date. These are the tags within the folder, so if you're looking for a date, it may search through these tags also, not on Windows, but actually like on Google Photos and things like that, like photo taken, and this will be one of the options. This is for me to know this is when I did the last backup. I'll do the same thing with my video files. I have an external hard drive, so basically I'm just gonna copy and move both of these files that'll have all my pictures and videos backed up, and I'll keep that on what's called a NAS and an external hard drive as a backup. So I have to tell you, I am really, really, really happy with this thing. It's fitting my needs. I don't have an Android device, but I'm sure it's gonna work just the same way as it just did with the iPhone, with the iOS. And like, again, I was looking for something that would actually back up the iPad Pro, and this is doing it. It's easy to back up. It's so much easier. As you saw, the files and the sub files. Again, it put everything in one place, but again, the way I do it is I'll go in there and change the date and all that other stuff. You don't necessarily have to do that, but I do. I mean, it is a 1 terabyte drive. You'll be able to store a lot of photos and pictures just on here, but I still like some type of organization in where my photos are and how they are filed. To have a bunch of pictures with those weird numbers and names that the phone gives it, I don't like it, you know. And this just makes it easier for me to have more control on doing my backups. Works really well. I'm very happy with it, and I'm going to have many, many years of using this, and I'm hoping that the actual people I'm doing this for actually also feel the same. So I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know below. Comment, and the links are below. Like and subscribe, and you'll see a slideshow come up next. And any questions you have that I can answer, I'll be more than happy to do so. It's not very fast and backup. It's going to take time. That could be because of the micro SD card I got. I didn't get a fast one. I got a slow one. The link is below so you can get details. You could get faster micro SD cards, but at this time I traded off space over speed. So you could get a faster one if you need a faster one. It should write a lot faster. All right. I already had ended the video, but I wanted to do this just to get an idea if you actually could do this. So I was wondering if I plug it into the actual computer USB port, right? And then I plug in the phone, will it still do the backup and then show you live the photos and videos that it's backing up? And the answer is no. It actually will just do one or the other. As you can see, it's coming up, the content of the actual micro SD card are coming up on my computer, but it's still telling me on the actual app to connect the device. So that's not working when you plug it into a computer. You can't back up and see live the backup. So that's pretty interesting. Let me see if I put it onto my USB hub, see what happens. Okay, that has power, so I'm curious what will happen. Okay, nothing. All right, so if you plug it into your computer, it won't. It'll come up with the content of the micro SD card. You can't do both at the same time. You can't do a backup and run the app and see the contents being backed up at the same time. So just in case if you were curious like I was in regards to that, you can't. It won't do it. Well, it won't do it for iOS. I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day or good night, depending on when you're watching this, or good morning. Bye now.
Qubii Duo USB-A Auto Backup Photos Flash Drive Photo Stick for iPhone 12/12 Pro/13/13 Pro for iPad and Android Type-C phone. Photo storage for PC, MacBook, laptops. Backup storage without microSD. 01-2023. Cost $64.99. Purchased at Amazon. Color USB-A white without microSD. Brand Mactor. Hardware interface USB 3.0. Color USB-A white without microSD. Product dimensions 1.6D x 0.98W x 0.98H. Flash memory type microSDXC. About this item. Never forget to back up. Backing up photos and videos just got easier. Free up space in your iPhone and Android Type-C smartphone by simply plugging into the Qubii Duo along with your power adapter. With Qubii, you can back up your phone automatically every time you charge. Never be reminded to back up again. Expand your iPhone storage with speedy transfer. With all new CPU, Qubii Pro backup 30% faster. Worry-free backup of your iPhone photos, videos, contacts, photos on iCloud to microSD card and Qubii Pro storage device. Messenger or gaming backup is not available. Compatible with iPhone, iPad and USB Type-C devices. Enjoy worry-free backup of your photos, videos, iCloud, and Facebook, Instagram, Flickr content to your microSD card in the Qubii Duo. You can use Qubii Duo across most smart Type-C devices that include iPhone, iPad, and/or Android devices. You can use one Qubii Duo across all your devices as it creates separate folders categorized by device name, so that your backup stays organized. Why do customers love Qubii? It's super simple to use. and unlike the Fantastic that is always draining battery and requires you to remember backing up, Qubii Duo automatically backs up while you charge. No matter if you're backing up thousands or 20 photos, as long as you charge your phone you will be able to securely back up with Qubii. Not to mention that you can always switch to a new microSD card whenever it's full. Say no to pesky cloud fees. Compatibility and warranty, MFI certified by Apple. Qubii Photo Stick works with any Apple device that uses the Lightning connector and requires iOS 10 or above 12 months warranty and dedicated email customer support. Product information. Technical details. Collapse all. Other technical details. Brand Mactor. Item model number Qubii Duo USB-A. Hardware platform PC. Item weight 0.564 ounces. Product dimensions 1.6 x 0.98 x 0.98 inches. Item dimensions LXWXH 1.6 x 0.98 x 0.98 inches. Color USB-A white without microSD. Manufacturer Mactor. SanDisk 07 Pinesrick 4. Date first available December 17, 2020. Product description. iPhone photo backup, phone storage device, picture stick, mobile Fantastic vault memory, iPad, Qubii Duo. Qubii Duo Cube features smart auto backup, extensive storage, and a content password encryption option. Qubii Duo begins the phone's backup process while your iOS Apple device or Android phone is charging. No action needed. Simply connect Qubii Duo adjacently to your charging block, plug your charger into Qubii, then charge your phone as usual. Qubii Duo will start backing up everything automatically. Qubii Duo is Apple MFI certified and compatible with Android devices. Highlights and features. iPhone photo backup, phone storage device, picture stick, mobile. iPhone photo backup, phone storage device, picture stick, mobile. iPhone photo backup, phone storage device, picture stick, mobile. iPhone photo backup, phone storage device, picture stick, mobile. Auto backup on demand. Automatically backs up your photos, contacts, and social media photos every time you charge your smartphones. Resume backup concurrently while charging your devices. You can stop the backup at any time to resume later on. Qubii Duo will begin backup from where it left off. Supports variety of contents. For iPhone devices, Qubii Duo can back up your photos, videos from camera roll and contacts, photos from iCloud, Facebook and Instagram. For Android devices, Qubii Duo supports Facebook, contacts, videos, photos. Also, Qubii Duo will keep all metadata from the photos, including date, location and device model. Kindly note that Qubii Duo does not back up apps or text messages. Password encryption. Secure your privacy and protect your backups easily. You can now lock your files with one click so that no one can read your files without permission. Enable Face ID, Touch ID and setting, app lock via Qubii Pro app. Qubii Duo provides two-factor authentication to provide you the safest auto backup device. Please remember to disable the lock before plugging into your computer. Compatible with Apple and Android. Dual use for both Apple, iPhone, iPad, and Android devices. Permitted to share one Qubii Duo backup cube with multiple devices, as the software recognizes vast devices when plugged in. Qubii Duo will create the backup folder by each device's name. iPhone photo backup, phone storage device, picture stick, mobile. iPhone photo backup, phone storage device, picture stick, mobile. iPhone photo backup, phone storage device, picture stick, mobile. iPhone photo backup, phone storage device, picture stick, mobile. Supports Apple iPad Pro backup. iPad Pro users can use the USB-C cable to connect with Qubii Duo USB-C to back up photos. If you use iPad with USB-A charger, please select Qubii Duo USB-A. USB-A and USB-C available. Staying current with your technology specifications, Qubii Duo offers both USB-A and USB-C type to suit the needs of your devices. Unlimited external storage. Unlimited backup storage space with your selected microSD card. MicroSD card storage capacity is available up to 2 terabytes. Switching your microSD card will not trigger content duplication. MicroSD card are not included in the standard package. Apple MFI certified technology. Qubii Duo is an Apple Incorporated certified technology. Licensed by Apple Incorporated with access to the technical specifications, resources, and Apple ecosystem. iPhone photo backup phone storage device picture stick mobile. FAQs. Q. What is the difference between the Pro and the Duo? Qubii Duo supports iOS and Android system backup. Qubii Pro only supports iOS devices. Also, Qubii Duo have microSD card lock feature. You can protect the backup contents by locking the microSD card through the app. Q. I have iPhone 11 and Oppo R9. Which type of Qubii Duo should I pick? It depends on which type of charger you are using. If you have USB-C charger, you can choose Duo USB-C. If you use USB-A charger, you can choose Duo USB-A. Both type of Qubii Duo can support these two devices. Q. What's the difference between USB-C and USB-A? The ports of these two USBs are different. Recently, a lot of smartphones support the USB-C adapter because USB-C chargers offer a higher power supply than USB-A. This is why we offer another option for user to choose. Q. If my backup's stuck at certain pictures, what should I do? A. There may be a bug on a specific picture, or there is a problem with the image in iCloud. Don't worry, our dedicated customer support will guide you to fix it. Q. Does Qubii Duo support HEIC? Yes. Qubii Duo can support HEIC format. You can go to Qubii Pro app, settings, backup items, backup camera roll, select export photos with HEIC or JPG. Q. Does Qubii Duo support live photos backup? Yes. Qubii Duo will export live photos as one picture and one video. When you restore them back to iPhone, it will turn into live photo. Q. What should I do if Qubii Duo can't recognize my phone? The issue may come from poor cable connection, counterfeit microSD cards, downloading from third-party software, etc. Don't worry, our customer support will help you. Let's get started. iPhone photo backup phone storage device picture stick mobile photostic vault memory iPad Qubii Duo. iPhone photo backup phone storage device picture stick mobile photostic vault memory iPad Qubii Duo. iPhone photo backup phone storage device picture stick mobile photostic vault memory iPad Qubii Duo. iPhone photo backup phone storage device picture stick mobile photostic vault memory iPad Qubii Duo. Insert. Insert a microSD card into your Qubii Duo cube. Stack. Plug Qubii Duo cube adjacently into your charging block. Download. Download Qubii Pro app from App Store. Backup. Connect the charger to your device and begin charging and backup. iPhone photo backup phone storage device picture stick mobile photostic vault memory iPad Qubii Duo. Qubii Pro app introduction. It's easy to get started. You simply need to follow these steps below. Download the Qubii Pro app on your Apple, via App Store, Android, via Google Play Store, device, iOS version 12 or above, Android 6.0 or above required. Complete Qubii Pro app setup. Select Start Now on the pop-up message to begin backup. Press Cancel to stop. Resume backup process. Please select Full Backup. For microSD card encryption, select SD lock and continue with password setup. For Face ID Touch ID, select the setting icon at the top right, go to App Lock. To explore more settings and features, please select the setting icon at the top right. User manual is located in Setting, select setting icon at the top right. For customer support, Please select the chat icon at the top left. To back up iCloud contents, select the setting icon at the top right, go to Backup Items, select Backup Camera Roll, enable Backup iCloud Contents. iCloud and social media account backups require data usage. Select Settings icon at the top right, go to Backup Items and enable download using Wi-Fi only. The internet speed in your device storage space may affect the iCloud Photos downloading speed. Reminders: do not disconnect while backup is in progress. Sudden disconnection may result in file corruption. To safely disconnect, tap the Cancel button before disconnecting. MicroSD cards are not included with standard Qubii Pro packages. Avoid using counterfeit microSD cards. We strongly recommend purchasing a microSD card from a trusted seller. iOS 12X or above, Android 6.0 or above, Mac OS X, Windows 7, 8, 10. iPhone 14 Pro Max, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 13 Pro Max, iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Mini, iPhone XR, iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XR, iPhone X, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus, iPad Mini 4, iPad Air 2, iPad Mini 3, iPad Air, iPad Mini 2, iPad Mini, iPad, 4th generation.